Hello, my name is Adrian Salgado. In this opportunity, I try to explain my project. About the general background, my project said how to integrate this STEAM. STEAM is science, technology, engineering, social study, business, and communication and art into the English for a specific purpose that is being implemented in high school of the Anglo-American school. In Anglo-American school, the students of 10 or 11th grade take two subjects, English and technical English. In technical English, the students of Anglo-American school program wants its students to improve their English language skills, increase their lexical competence, and develop profitable reading comprehension skills with STEAM methodology. It's very important for the students to take the risk to resolve different different projects in a specific context, and embrace a collaboration with the teacher and partners. I explain this part. First, for example, if I like to study chemistry or biology, I choose a science, technical English. Or if I like to study politics or a lawyer, I studied in social studies or publicity in communication of different engineering, choose engineering for a technical English. For this reason, implementation of referent language with a specific disciplinary purpose, technical English for a specific purpose for STEAM. For example, for science, there are different problems about environment, about animals, about medicine, about biology, and so the students can decide what is the specific topics, and the students design the project. First, to propose the problem, the general objectives, the specific objectives, and methodology, to literal review, and propose to resolve this project for different topics. This is for science. For example, for business, to design a company with all topics that this company for engineering, for example, to design a model of a robot. In communications, there are interesting projects about the stereotypes. For social studies, different topics about politics and geopolitics. And for this reason, it's very interesting this project because the conscious of the importance of learning another language generate new knowledge of the environment in the world with the students of the Anglo-American school. The English department has designed a program in order to integrate the language into different subjects for such as science, art, of different topics of social study, communication, or business. This is the global option for the students. The problem I explained about the project, but what is the most important of this project? To develop, to express and support ideas of knowledge of feeling. In this opportunity, it's very important to explain that not only the order following linguistic parameters, but there are other options to describe about it, to report, to implement meaning or increasing complementary reading materials, and further that the students can apply the occurrence of technical English of students' specialization in various contexts. It's necessary to students explain the project, how do you prepare this activity, to explain the project, the methodology, the objectives, and then to, for example, for engineer, to present the model and explain how fits this model. Okay, the general objective for the project is to design a specific program for STEAM methodology, but implemented in Anglo-American school. But the specific Objectives is the interdisciplinary strategy. This strategy is very important for the students with partners or teachers to resolve problems. The interdisciplinary strategy to and develop the qualified project included different topics and express and support ideas, knowledge, and feeling in different options, and write and formal inform about this activity. I think it's very interesting because to present with the model of TED Talk this result of the projects because the students to develop the communication skills. And there are limitations for this research because interdisciplinary methodology, for example, is a little complicated for the teacher when try to talk about the time. The time is the big problem for this activity, but the motivation is the best option for the students because it's interesting. I try to resolve a specific situation that or design a model, but it's very interesting with the motivation. The collaborative learning is a special model of teaching or learning with the students thinking together to resolve any situation at students discussing the lectures. The motivation is for psychology the best option for self-determination. Is very important to suggest the intrinsic motivation because when it's my project. I try to resolve this project for me, for my future, for my career, for my. It's interesting for me. For this reason, it's interesting. It's significant this project when I try to understand and read different articles. There are in Korea and Seoul different option for STEAM, and in Salamanca University there are any activities for this STEAM, and the motivation is very interesting when the students resolve problems for science, engineering, business, communication, and social studies for the use of technical English as a foreign language is important for the students. When I explain the literary review, there are any activities in especially in Korea and Salamanca. And okay, in my opinion, this is an interesting project because the integration of the STEAM methodology for the English for a specific specific purpose that is implemented the best option when I try to participate all the students and benefit the teaching and learning English because the motivation is very essential when I try to explain and develop different communication skills. Thank you so much. Bye bye.